In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Metamask on the Google Chrome browser. If you're looking to explore the world of cryptocurrencies and manage your digital assets, Metamask is an indispensable tool, and getting it installed on your browser is both quick and straightforward. So let's dive right in. To begin, you need to open your favorite web browser and navigate to the official Metamask website. It's important to start here to ensure you are grabbing the software from a trusted source. Once you land on the Metamask homepage, you'll see several options, but let's focus on the task at hand. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page and click on the Download option. This will guide you to a page listing various platforms and browsers that Metamask supports. Since we're focusing on Google Chrome, this is the one we want to select. You'll see an option that says, Install Metamask for Chrome. Give that a click, and it will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is the go-to for browser extensions, and here you'll find the official Metamask extension. You'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it to initiate the installation process. At this point, Chrome will verify the extension you are about to add with a pop-up window. This serves as a final checkpoint to ensure you actually want to install the extension. Simply click Add Extension to confirm your choice. After that, the installation will proceed automatically, and Metamask will integrate into your browser. Once the installation is complete, a new tab usually opens to welcome you to Metamask. Here, you'll follow the prompts to either set up a new wallet or, if you're an existing user, restore an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. For newcomers, the setup includes creating a strong password and backing up your recovery phrase in a safe, offline location. This is crucial because your recovery phrase is the key to your digital assets, and losing it could mean losing access to your funds. The setup process is designed to be intuitive, guiding you step by step to ensure you're ready to navigate safely in your crypto journey. Once you've completed the setup, Metamask will live in your browser, ready to assist in managing and interacting with your cryptocurrency accounts. And there you have it. You've installed and set up Metamask on Google Chrome, a vital step in managing your digital currencies. Embrace the journey into the fascinating world of decentralized finance safely and efficiently with the help of Metamask. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.